Let's talk about how you can 10x your chance to access more credit approvals, okay? First and foremost, this information is specialized knowledge, and I say that because many people in the industry, the credit industry, aren't familiar with what I'm about to tell you, all right? So the first thing that you can do to 10x your chance to get approved for more credit is to freeze your banking activity reports. Banking activity reports actually review your debits, your credits, your savings, all right, all your deposits of your checks into your bank account. This information, your average monthly balance, this information is something that is on your Finicity credit report. Finicity, F-I-N-I-C-I-T-Y. So your Finicity credit report. This is a banking activity report that will, if you freeze this report, this will 10x your chance to get approved for more credit, okay? And then another way you can 10x your chance to get approved for more credit is to freeze your payroll history reports. Your payroll history reports are reports that reveal how long you've been on your job, the date that you started, what your status is there. Are you full-time or part-time? Do you get bonuses? All right. This information is revealed on what we call a payroll history report. And you can get this report from Equifax. It's called the work number. Okay. The work number. This work number report, you can freeze it because bankers, lenders, and credit issuers are reviewing this report about you to verify the information that you're telling them on your credit application about your employment history. All right, so freeze that report because it could have inaccurate information about you on your payroll history report. So you want to freeze that. Another way you could 10x your chance to get approved for more credit or get credit approvals, all right, is to freeze your background history report. Your background history report, okay? These background reports, all right, they reveal information about your background as far as criminal record, your traffic violations, okay? This kind of information is something that should not be considered in a credit application, but it is a part of the review of your character. But what I have found, according to the Federal Trade Commission, December 19th of 2019, they had a workshop. The Federal Trade Commission in Washington, D.C. had a workshop, and they found that background reports were causing people to be declined for credit or to get reduced approval amounts. And most of the information they found to be in background reports was inaccurate. Okay, I personally had a challenge with a background report that was inaccurate, and it actually caused me to be declined for preferred accounts like Blackcards, Platinum American Express cards, and other kinds of credit. But even recently, I was actually applying for a condominium to lease, okay, and I wasn't instantly approved for the condominium, not because of my credit, but because of a traffic violation that I had in 1997. Can you imagine? I had a traffic violation in 1997, okay, and this violation caused a flag on my credit application, and my application had to go into review with a 780 credit score. Okay, I thought I was 800, but they said 780. So I said, okay, I'll take that. But how could I not be approved for a condominium, for a rental with a 780 credit score? So I want to tell you, they told me it was in my background report. And when the property management company reviewed that, they apologized to me and said that was something that was so old, they couldn't believe that the system actually flagged me for that, but it did. So no, to 10x your chance to get more credit approvals, freeze your banking activity report. The one specifically that I'm talking about here is Finicity, but there are many others, okay? If you want to know some of the other ones, there's a link below. You can schedule a free consultation with me and we can discuss that. But also your payroll history report. The work number is the one that I'm referring to here, but there are several others, okay? And then your background report, okay? Backgroundreporthistory.com is one that you can look at. All right, so freeze these reports and you'll 10x your chance to get approved for more credit.